dual digital car air compressor that can plug into your secret light sockets in your car. So it says you can inflate your car tire within 60 seconds. So we'll see actually it works or not. So this is the box that it comes in. So we'll see what's inside the package. There are two versions available in the market, analog and digital version. I highly recommend to buy the digital version.
This will allow you to reach all tires of your car, bike, motor, ATV, compact or medium-sized sedan, SUV, etc. So you can see the main features here. You can see this is small and portable to use. This comes with extra fuse and 3 additional nozzles. This is equipped with 3 meter power cord and 1 meter inflatable tube, so the total length is 4 meters. And you can see the English manual includes all the instructions. This comes with following features: fast inflation, LCD display, copper cell, LED light, auto shut-off feature, threaded interface, metal cylinder, increase and decrease gears. Okay guys, now we'll check how to connect this unit to your car. First, start the engine. Then insert the plug into the 12-volt cigarette light socket. Set your desired PSI value by pressing increase and decrease button. So you can see the flat tire. Insert the inflation part into the tire valve. So my current PSI value is 4. I set it to inflate 35 PSI. So we'll see that how long will it take to inflate the tire. You can see the torch light. Now turn on the switch to inflate the tire. So I'm going to turn on the stopwatch now. So we'll see how long will it take to inflate the tire. It took 6 minutes and 23 seconds to inflate the tire from 4 to 35 psi. Now switch off the power switch and remove the inflation coil. If you enjoyed this video and if you want to watch more videos in future, don't forget to click the subscribe button on bottom right corner. Thank you.